Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Fidelity with Vanguard. The first thing I'm going to compare or talk about is what do I actually recommend to use and which one you should actually use. Then I'm going to compare the fees, and then I'm going to talk about the customer service and other things. So let's start. Now, both of these brokers and like money managers are really great. Vanguard, Charles, Schwab, or Fidelity, you're not going to make a mistake. I would go personally with Vanguard if you want to invest to Vanguard ETF. So they have their own which are for free that you can buy, and if you want to buy those, open an account with Vanguard and go with that. But other than that, if you want to like do the options trading or invest to stocks and hold them for a long time, or invest to Fidelity, like I don't know, ETFs, I would go with Fidelity, and here's why. So the first thing is fees, or our fees. Vanguard has generally low stock fees and ETFs are free. Stock commission Vanguard $7. Asset invested under 50k, 7 for first 25 trades per year, 20 thereafter. So if you have under 50k on your account, you're gonna pay $7 for first 25 trades, then 20 thereafter, but you're gonna have the Vanguard ETFs for free. So this is something you need to keep in mind. Comparing to the Fidelity, on Fidelity you're gonna have US stock completely for free. Also with ETF. So this is the huge advantage comparing to that. And I'm going to show you on the options fees, it's 0.65 per contract. On Vanguard, let me show you, it's 17. Under 500k investment, 7 flat fee plus $1 per contract. So again, Fidelity is winning here. So, but if you want to do day trading, if you want to do swing trading, I would go again with a Robinhood, which offers you also free options. I wouldn't personally invest to options through Vanguard or Fidelity. No trading fees, no account activity, nothing, no inactivity fees. So this is really great. When you would go to the trading platform is fine, but it, like comparing to Robinhood, is nothing glamorous or like really epic to invest through, right? That's just my advice. Use it for the one time per month. You just want to like send money into it, and voila, you just go further. So yeah, it's okay, but it's just enough for Robinhood or others. Customer service on both of these tools is great, with phone support, fast response time, relevant answers. But the no live chat on Vanguard, no 24/7 support. But this is pretty much it. Both of these are safe. There are not a lot of differences between Fidelity and Vanguard. You are not going to make a mistake if you choose Vanguard or Fidelity. And yeah, thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.